Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. First of all, I would like to wish you Happy New Year, a year of prosperity, happiness, good health, and of course, cooking with great flavor and nutrition. I have a small dinner party on New Year Eve with my family and neighbors. I want to make something different for this special occasion, so I make a biryani, which is an Indian Pakistani dish with everything cooked in one pot. I know my friend Eugene will love this dish because he loves to cook everything in a single pot on one burner. Well, you might think that it is a lazy way to make a meal for a dinner party. But it certainly saves time with my fast cooking system to create an attractive as well as an interesting dish for this special occasion. This dish is both simple and complex at the same time. It is a complicated dish because it has 7 kinds of vegetables, 3 kinds of rice, and it also has chicken, shrimp, bacon, and egg. However, it is very simple because of my fast cooking system with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. I actually apply every component of my fast cooking system to cook this dish. And with advanced prepping, I have all the ingredients ready to go. All I need to do is to make the selection what I want to include in this dish. And with template-based cooking, I take different templates and combine them in creating this dish. So this is true to what I would call improvisational cooking. I use a set of basic framework and basically improvise to create this dish. And to me, this is the key for me to sustain my home cooking without ever getting bored 7 days a week, 365 days a year. I love nature, and to me, cooking is one of the best way to in touch with nature. When you take raw food ingredients and convert them into something that you can eat. Through home cooking, you can create the perfect texture and flavor that you want. On December 22nd, 2008, my encounter with nature has provided me some of the deepest memory that I ever have in my life. I woke up in the morning and walked into a world that is completely encased with ice from an overnight ice storm. It has captured a world of unimaginable beauty. So I created this video to share that experience with you as well as to wish you a Happy New Year. This video is part of my new YouTube channel called 8 Minutes. The name 8 minutes refers to the amount of the time for the sun's rays to reach Earth, which takes 8 minutes and 19 seconds, as a way to pay homage to the sun that sustains life on Earth. I live in a rural area, and every morning I take a walk to catch the sunrise. I take pictures of the natural surroundings where I live. I find these experiences both invigorating as well as meditating. And each day I use those photographs and create music to accompany them in creating this music video. These experiences give me a deep sense of connection to nature. It makes me feel fortunate to be alive as part of this vast universe. The photograph helped me to keep this visual image in my memory, and the music helped me to express my emotional feelings. I plan to post a video each day. If you enjoy this type of video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive notifications of my future postings. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.